Hi guys, John here from Alphaweld. In today's video, we'll take a close look at the Betaweld Auto-Darkening Helmet and what makes it a popular choice among welders. When it comes to welding safety, auto-darkening welding helmets are the best way to protect your eyes from harmful welding radiation. That is why many welding professionals and even hobbyists have transitioned from passive to auto-darkening helmets. Lightweight and comfortable, the Betaweld Auto-Darkening Helmet offers high-quality vision when welding and is suitable for MIG, stick, and TIG welding. Standard features include auto-darkening sensitivity and delay adjustments, a 100 by 53mm viewing area, true view lens, darkening shade levels 9 to 13, grind mode switch, and magnification lens holder. One of the most important considerations when choosing a welding helmet is its compliance with industry safety standards. For your peace of mind, the Betaweld Auto-Darkening Helmet is high impact tested and rated to Australian standard AS 1337.1, thanks to a durable and shock-resistant shell. If you would like to know more or try this helmet for yourself, feel free to visit our trade counter at Alphaweld. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.